Step into the bustling world of the farm, where friendly animals wait to say hello. This delightful journey introduces your little one to the charming cast of characters who call the barnyard home. They'll learn to identify the fluffy sheep with its cozy wool, the proud rooster crowing at the sunrise, the gentle cow with her spotty coat, and the playful pig rolling in the mud.
Sheep have amazing memories. They can recognize faces of other sheep and even humans, and remember them for years. Sheep are very social animals and like to stay in groups. They often follow the leader. That's where the phrase "follow like sheep" comes from. Sheep say "ba" to communicate with each other. Lambs and their mothers can recognize each other by their unique sounds. Sheep grow thick wool that keeps them warm. Their wool is used to make clothes, blankets, and socks.
Donkeys have excellent memories. They can recognize places, and other donkeys they haven't seen in years. Donkeys can carry up to 30% of their body weight and pull even more. They've been used as pack animals for centuries. Donkeys form strong bonds with other donkeys, animals, or humans. Lonely donkeys can become sad or depressed. Donkeys are highly intelligent, not stubborn. Hippopotamus means river horse. It comes from the Greek words hippos, horse, and potamos, river. Hippos are the third largest land mammals, after elephants and white rhinos. They can weigh 1,500 to 4,000 kilograms, 3,300 to 8,800 pounds. That's heavier than a car. Hippos give birth in water, and calves weigh around 45 kilograms.
Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land. They can run up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per h in short bursts. Cheetahs have long legs, a slim body, and a long tail that acts like a rudder to help them turn quickly while chasing prey. Cheetahs can only run at full speed for about 20 to 30 seconds. After that, they need to rest. Running that fast takes a lot of energy. Cheetahs are endangered. There are only about 7,000 cheetahs left in the wild today.
Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, making them one of the first domesticated animals. Dogs can see in the dark better than humans, due to a structure called the tapetum lucidum in their eyes. Dogs come in an astonishing range of sizes, from the tiny Chihuahua, about 2 pounds, to the massive English Mastiff, up to 250 pounds. Dogs form strong bonds with their humans. Lionesses are the females of the species. Panthera leo, found mainly in Africa, and a small population in India, Asiatic lions. Lionesses do most of the hunting for the pride. They are strategic, cooperative hunters and often work in teams to bring down prey. Lionesses form the core of the pride, a group of lions that usually includes related females.
Tigers are the largest cats in the world. A male Siberian tiger can weigh over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, and grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long with tail. Tigers are mostly nocturnal. Their eyes are specially adapted for night vision. They can see 6 times better than humans in the dark. Tigers are endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Only around 4,000 tigers are left in the wild. Tigers love water and are excellent swimmers, unlike most cats. They often cool off in rivers or lakes.
Rhinos are herbivores and eat only plants, including grass, leaves, branches, and shrubs, sometimes eating over 100 pounds of food a day. Rhinos have poor eyesight and cannot see very far, but their hearing and sense of smell are extremely strong and help them stay alert. Rhinoceros comes from Greek words meaning nose horn, because all rhinos have 1 or 2 horns on their noses. Rhinos are herbivores and eat only plants, including grass, leaves, branches, and shrubs, sometimes eating over 100 pounds of food a day. Horses can sleep while standing thanks to a special locking system in their legs, but they need to lie down for deep sleep. Horse's eyes are on the sides of its head, giving it a nearly 360 degrees view, except directly in front and behind. Horses can learn commands, recognize human emotions, and remember people for years. Horses naturally live in herds and form strong bonds with other horses and humans. They have excellent long-term memory. Zebras live in groups, herds, and often form strong family bonds. Plains zebras form harems, one male with several females and foals, while Grevy's zebras are more solitary. Zebras live in savannas, grasslands, woodlands, shrublands, and even mountainous regions across eastern and southern Africa. Giraffes were once thought to be silent, but they actually make low humming sounds, especially at night, to communicate. Giraffes are the tallest land animals on Earth. Adult males can grow up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, tall. Giraffes are herbivores. They only eat plants, especially the leaves of acacia trees, which they love. Despite their size, giraffes can run up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per h. Ducks can shut down 1/2 of their brain at a time. This allows them to rest while still being alert to predators. Ducks come in many varieties, from the colorful mandarin duck to the classic mallard. Migratory ducks can travel thousands of miles and often return to the exact location they were born. Ducklings can communicate with siblings through sounds to coordinate hatching at the same time. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of related females, their offspring, and 1-3 adult male. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo.
Polar bears are the largest carnivores, meat eaters, on land. Adult males can weigh over 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms. Polar bear fur looks white, but it's actually transparent. Their skin underneath is black, which helps absorb heat from the sun. Polar bear babies, called cubs, are born in snow dens during winter and are about the size of a guinea pig when born. Polar bears live only in the Arctic, not Antarctica.
With bright, engaging illustrations and simple, fun facts, this book turns every page into a visit to the countryside, perfect for curious young minds. But the adventure doesn't stop at the pasture fence. This book takes children on an exciting exploration to discover the wild relatives of their favorite farm friends.